All rise for the Honorable Judge Durden. All may be seated. Defendant, please approach the stand.
Alright, man, I just want to ask you one question, man. Keys coming asking me, actually.
Are we not talking when we talk about?
I don't know, man. Anyway, man, a lot of kids. I don't know if this rumor is true or not, but I heard that you're not going back to school. Why is that?
Because of the bullying, the fighting, and the violence. That's why I don't go anymore.
Okay, so the bullying and the fighting. Okay, I get that right there. But you know, sometimes how you gonna get new friends? You really think K-12 gonna bring new friends to you?
Well, here's the thing. If I go to school and somebody punches me in my face or kicks me in my knee, I'm not gonna even be in school and make friends. I'm gonna have to make friends with ER physicians, surgeons, those type of people I'll be around after I get beat up.
But just say you don't give them a reason to fight. Come in there with a calm, cool attitude like I do, and you'll be. When somebody say something smart to you, say something slick back. That's what I do.
I don't give them a reason to fight. They fight everybody for no reason.
Ask me if there's one time during middle school that I had to get into a fight. 6th grade, nope. 7th grade, nope. 8th grade, first year, nope. 8th grade, second year, nope. And it's going on 8th grade, 7th year, second year. I haven't gotten into a fight yet.
Wait, so if you're 8th grade, 2nd year, what are you doing behind that bench?
What you doing in my court? You asking me, you come up in here asking me what I'm doing behind this bench. What you come up in here for?
I'm here because I got sent here, referred to the courts of Nazareth, because I skipped school.
Oh, so you skipped school? Ask me if there was one time I ever skipped school. And let me answer that. No. Well, that was this one time. But never mind. Anyway, you need to get back to school.
But guess what, though? You said there was this one time, so you know better than I am.
Hey,
you skipped.
One time. And I had a doctor's appointment. I didn't tell nobody though. But that's not the point.
If you...
Actually, no. In real life, I did actually skip school. Because I think it was like a Friday. No, a Thursday. And I think I was leaving that Friday. I think. And then after that, I left. I didn't go back to it. No. It was a Friday. Yes.
That's because you changed schools.
I haven't skipped school.
Okay, but...
All 180 something days you should be going to school. I don't care if you black, white, Asian, African American, Caucasian, Hispanic. I know black and African. Same thing, I know. I know you don't. I know he didn't put his feet on my dick. Get your feet off the dick. You know how much I pay for this? I don't pay for it, but that's not the point.
Yeah, but the reason why I don't go to school is because of these fighting, and then the people there, it's just so many bullies, and I don't deal with bullies.
Look. Don't be a turd. I say, a guy your size, I be bullying every day with nobody. Your size, nobody. Get out my seat. Well, yeah, get out your seat anyway. I'm never back in high school. That's not the point. Anyway.
See, as a
Sit down. Sit down.
but as a pastor,
Sit down.
sorry, Judge. As a pastor, it's against the law for me to fight.
You fight with your words, okay? You can be foot on this. Thank you. Foot on the table. Remove, please. Thank you. Golly, who wanna go on my chapter this? You? I know you want to. Man, what you want? Anyway, I want you back in school. I don't know what it's going to take.
What happened is I filled out a order of protection.
Can I see that form, please?
I don't have it.
So it doesn't exist.
It does, I just don't have it.
How am I supposed to believe that you signed this if you don't have it?
Me and 8 other deacons signed it.
Look, how far away do you live from here? Like 10, 15 minutes? I give you 5 minutes to drive to your home. Get this form so I can see it. Until then, let's go to lunch.
The courts of Nazareth is in a recess. Please meet back here later.
Can we please have Javille Sinclair back up? The defendant back up to the chair, please. Thank you. You see me hand it to the paper. Thank you. I might give you a paycheck. I don't know how to thank you. But anyway, hold up. Wait. Right inside this?
Yeah. Why wouldn't he?
Cause he doesn't believe in homeschool. The boy was in middle school from kindergarten through 12th grade. He's riding in the court right now. No, I don't think so.
I believe he's still in.
Why are you gonna get my foot with the gavel?
Cause it was on my